This video walks you through how to merge duplicate contacts in Xero. Begin from the top menu in Xero, click Contacts, then select All Contacts. This opens the full contacts page where you can view the list of people or businesses already saved in your account. If you are working with a long list, take a moment to confirm that you are looking at the duplicate entry you want to remove before making any changes. Once you are on the contacts page, find a contact that you want to merge into another contact. Tick the checkbox beside that contact in the list. This is the record that will be combined with a different contact, so it is worth checking the name carefully before you continue. Selecting the wrong entry here can send the transaction history into the wrong contact record. After the duplicate contact is selected, move to the action bar above the contact list and click Merge. This opens the merge process for the contact you just selected. If the option does not appear right away, look back at the list and make sure the checkbox is still active for the contact you want to use. You will then see the Merge Transaction History window. In this window, search for the contact that you want to merge with. As you type, Xero will show matching contacts from your account. Choose the correct contact from those results. This second contact is the one that will remain active after the merge, so make sure it is the record you want to keep. Before you complete the action, review the selected contact in the merge window. This is the point where you confirm that the duplicate contact is being merged into the correct existing contact. The merge will combine the transaction history, and the duplicate contact will be archived. Because of that, it is important to pause here and verify that both contact records are the ones you intended to work with. When everything looks correct, click Merge to complete the process. Xero will then combine the transaction history from the duplicate into the contact you selected, and the duplicate contact will be archived. Depending on your account and the amount of history involved, this may take a brief moment to update. After the merge finishes, the active contact remains in your contacts list with the combined transaction history, while the duplicate record is no longer kept as a separate active contact. If you need to confirm the result, you can stay on the contacts page and review the contact that was kept to make sure the correct record is now in place. Your duplicate contact has now been merged in Xero, with its transaction history combined and the extra contact archived.